How to accept tickets on Seatgeek. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Seatgeek, or you can also open it on your web browser. Enter a login credential like your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. Click on this ticket icon at the bottom. In this page, your tickets will be available to you. Also, you can see the option of accept tickets. And the cross icon is also available to you. If you click on accept tickets, your tickets will be accepted. But if you don't want to accept, then what you want to do is simply click on this cross icon. But as we're looking on how to accept the tickets, click on accept tickets. Your tickets will be shown to you. Now click on this ticket, and you'll be able to see all of the details of the tickets. You will be able to see the quantity of the tickets and also date of the ticket. The barcode scanner will also be available to you. So that's it, and this is simply how you can accept tickets on Seatgeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.